Hello everyone. Today we will understand how to log in your respective email ID provided by the school and how to join your Google Classroom. So I hope you have received your email ID and password provided by the school. So let's begin. First of all, you need to go to gmail.com. When will you go to gmail.com? Use your school ID only to join the Google Classroom. Let's suppose my ID is harsh.thakkar@dpsgandhidham.org. Then I will press next. Then I will enter my password. Then next. I have invited myself into demo Google Classroom. So one email will be received in your email ID, that is invitation to co-teacher. So I will click on that email, that is invitation to co-teacher. This is your class name, that is demo class. So here in email, that is in inbox, you will find this type of box and you need to press join. When you click on join, you will get this type of Google Classroom window. So I joined. If you click on people, you will find your name as a teacher. This is demo classroom, so there is no student here. If you want to invite the student, please share this code to the student to join your class. Let's suppose now you want to enter in your Google Classroom. So directly classroom.google.com is the link, or directly you can search Google Classroom. Classroom.google.com, that is the link. So here sign in Google Classroom. Again the same email ID and password, that is harsh.thakkar@dpsgandhidham.org, and my password. So as a Harsh Thakkar, I have my demo class as well as my business studies class. So one teacher can join more than one classes. So here in demo class, now what is your role as a teacher? Please understand this window. There are main three parts, that is stream, classwork and people. Stream, that is the announcement part, what you want to communicate to your student. Classwork means your actual workplace where you will work or where will you assign the work to the student. And people, it will tell how many teachers are there, how many students are there. So stream, classwork and people. Stream means what you want to share with your class. So for demo class and all the students, hello. Start with new chapter. Then if you want to add any post, you can click on add. If you want to add some Google Drive data, you can link any file, you can upload any file, or you can give any YouTube link also. But if I want to pass this message only, then I will press post. So by email also and by the notification also, this announcement will be sent to each and every student of this classroom. That is the announcement. Now we'll move to our actual workplace, that is my classroom. So as a subject teacher, that is your holy duty to maintain your classwork very well. So first of all, here one tab is there, that is called create tab. So as a teacher, I know that I'm going to start the first chapter. So I will click on create and then I will create topic first. That is chapter number 1. Demo class 1. That is my topic. That is my chapter number 1. So you will find your topic name. If I want to add something or if I want to assign something, so assignment is there, quiz assignment is there, questions are there, material is there. So first of all, I will upload the material. So 1.1, that is my technique to synchronize the work. That is first chapter and first topic, introduction to chapter. You can describe the chapter details. If you want to add some file, YouTube file, link, Google Drive file, anything. If I want to upload any file from this local machine, then I will click on file. Upload means from here, anything I can upload here and upload. Okay, so this file is attached with this material. Now, please see very important, that is topic. For demo class, all the student, now topic you need to mention every time when you are going to assign some material. So please add topic. If you are not adding topic and if you find that you have given title, then description, then you have added some file and then you have clicked on post, so it will look like this. It will not be under the particular topic. So again, I will press edit and I will click on topic, that is chapter number 1, demo class. Then I will press save. Now you can see this. This is under the topic. Clear? If you want to create another topic, that is chapter 2, demo 2. So it will look separately. So it will easy to segregate the things. It is easy for the students to understand the things. So I request all the teachers, please create your topic first and then assign your material. Here, if you want to assign some assignment, so assignment 1, please write following answers. 1, 2, 3, XYZ. You can. If you want to add your worksheet here, you can also add your worksheet from the link, file, YouTube or Google Drive. That is, if I want to add my worksheet, then I will upload my worksheet from my computer. Let's suppose IT. Okay, it is my worksheet and I will upload this. Now see here, if you want to add points, you can, like it is of 10 points, means 10 marks, or ungraded if you want. If you want to set your due date, means after this date and time student will not able to attend this assignment, you can assign your due date also, like 23rd. Time is optional. This is my due date. After this time no one will assign or no one will be attending this assignment. So again, topic is very important. So it is of chapter number 1. You can add rubrics also. and I will assign this. If you want to assign now, then you can press assign, or you can schedule also. That is schedule on 21st, that is of 9 a.m. schedule. So it will look like this: assignment scheduled for April 21st, 9 a.m. You can change the order also. By default, it will follow LIFO method, that is last in first out. So LIFO method, it's not FIFO, first in first out. So it's LIFO method. If you want to change the order, you can change manually also. So I hope you are clear how to use Google Classroom, how to upload. Now, if you want to send YouTube file, then also you can send. Again, create material. So 1.2 video lecture. See the video, add YouTube. If you want to search something, that's BUSINE, business studies. Search. You will find lots of video related to your topic. If you have certain URL of YouTube, then you can also paste. If I'm starting my YouTube and I'm searching my video on YouTube, let's suppose Harsh. So here, video lecture, edit it. Again, I'm demonstrating, add YouTube file. I have URL, so I will press the URL directly. Then I will press add. Again here, topic, save or post. So this video will be attached with your material. You can arrange your sequence as per your requirement. So this is the particular way. If you are arranging your classwork very well, then after a few days, you will see your classwork like this. This is my actual classwork of class 12 business studies. See here, everything is well arranged. So student will never get confusion how to do, what to do. And here also you can see the stream. That is the announcement. I hope this is the first lecture and you understood well. Thank you.